Well, whatever the issue is, this video will help you with important battery terms so you can replace your battery with the correct type. So let's start out super simple. What is an automotive battery? Well, an automotive battery is a rechargeable battery that's used to start a vehicle. Its primary purpose is to provide spark for an internal combustion engine. It also provides the electrical power for components like your headlights, wipers, radio, etc. Relevant battery information can be found on the sticker on the top of the battery. Sometimes this information can be found on the sides or the front of the battery. Batteries will also have a small round sticker indicating the production date of the battery. Make sure to check this small sticker when purchasing your new battery. Do not buy a new battery if it's been sitting for more than 2 months. Here are all the parts that make up a battery. Common automotive batteries have 6 cells. These are wired in series so that you have 12 volts DC. Now that we have the basics of a battery out of the way, we can cover the 4 most common types of automotive batteries. Starting with the AGM battery. On screen now is an explanation of the different battery types that you will most commonly find in automotive applications. The next important piece of information that you'll need to have when you're replacing your battery is the cold cranking amps. Remember in the beginning of the video when the car wouldn't start? Yeah, it sounded something like this. CCA, or cold cranking amps, is a rating used in the battery industry to define the battery's ability to start an engine in cold temperatures. The rating refers to the number of amps a 12-volt battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. The higher the CCA rating, the greater the starting power of the battery. So now you know that you're going to be installing the correct battery type in your vehicle.